How are you feeling about everything?
I feel so excited and hopeful.
In terms of getting this place renovated, are you guys buying in? Hey, Carissa, good morning.
Hey, Scott, how's it going?
So far, so good. I'm on my way to meet up with Laura and Andy. They are new homeowners. They want to do a budget-friendly renovations and they have some savings, but they need a little financial advice and maybe some goal planning.
Yeah, I'll put something together for them.
Awesome, thanks. We'll talk to you soon.
I'm Laura.
I'm Andy.
And this is Lake. We just moved into this big, beautiful house. There's some aspects that we definitely need Scott's help with. So we're hoping that he will be able to give us some tips to make it a little bit less antique-y and much more functional.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Scott.
Welcome.
So this is the place.
This is
The
it.
place.
Is the house just the way you want it, or is there anything you'd change?
It's beautiful. Like, they're really good bones. It has lots of little kind of chic, old-fashioned features that we really like, but we'd like to update it and make it safe and super functional for us and for our family. So the kitchen, the floors, and I think the main bathroom are definitely the main things that need a lot of work.
Okay, well, let's take a look.
All
Okay,
right.
come on in.
Home sweet home.
Here we
Welcome.
are.
Wow. Wow. So I'm starting to see what you mean by the floors was a problem.
Yeah, they just won't get clean.
These floors have probably been sanded down a few times over the years. They've gotten really thin, so you're getting so much flex in there. You might want to consider pulling these out and starting fresh.
Okay.
Okay.
It's an opportunity, though, to take the squeak out of the floor and to pick something pre-finished that you absolutely love and then maintain the consistency throughout
Yeah.
when you do your updates and renovations.
Love that.
So this is as you walk through the archway, our dining room.
Okay, this is cute little formal dining room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kitchen's through here.
Kitchen through there, yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is our kitchen.
This is it. Are we loving it?
We are dealing with it.
You've got a huge radiator taking up 4 feet of prime real estate over there. The stove has no counters on either side. Miles of wall there.
Yeah.
With nothing going on.
For the kitchen space, I would add a 2-piece bathroom where the current fridge is, because that's where all the plumbing is. And then I'd start the kitchen beyond that. To open things up and create a little more space, I'd remove the wall that currently separates the kitchen from the dining room.
That's so smart. Okay, I love that.
And you did say you wanted to do work upstairs as well,
Yes,
right?
we do. Big time.
Let's take a look at that.
All right.
Well, looks like Lake's already on his way up.
Yeah, he's going to play the drums. He's just like ready to do
Oh,
it.
the drums. Let's take a look. Oh boy.
Hello.
Wow. This is a pretty neat space too. What do you got up here? Like a bedroom and another living room, basically.
Yeah, right now I'm using that room as my office, but I would love for this to be what would be a finished basement, but like a hangout spot, a loft area.
Oh,
you know,
cool.
drum set, craft area, couch.
You play the drums.
I play the drums. Want to give it a try?
I don't play the drums, but I'm always willing to learn a new trick.
Bring that hi-hat in.
This is it. This is the bathroom.
Let's take a gander. What do you love? What do you hate?
We love that there's a tub. We like there's a nice big window. Hate the bidet.
Well, in terms of renovating this bathroom, I agree. There's a lot to be done. But the good news is, I think there's a huge opportunity to improve on this space. The footprint, the size of the bathroom is great. For the second floor bathroom renovation, my recommendation is remove the radiator, remove the pedestal sink, remove the bidet, and put in one nice 60-inch vanity. That will be perfect for this space. The floors would get redone, and I'd put in-floor heat, which replaces the heat from the radiator. Now we still have a 2-foot by 3-foot section beside the bathtub. That becomes an enclosed storage closet, creates all the storage solutions that they need. I think what makes sense now is I've asked Carissa from CIBC to come by and have a little bit of a discussion about financial planning to get the best return on lifestyle and return on investment.
Awesome.
Awesome.
I have Carissa here. She's gonna help look at a couple financial options and scenarios to set you up for success.
Yeah, I mean, Scott presented us with some pretty amazing options. Budget-wise, we have an idea, but it's a little overwhelming as to where to start.
So please help us.
Absolutely. So just a couple things to think about, and what we always advise is think about your goals in totality. Like, what are the things you really want to achieve over the short term, medium term, long term? It's really good to sit down and just, write them all out. Blank piece of paper, whatever it is, almost like a vision board.
Okay.
Saying what's important to us now, prioritizing those goals, and picking like 2 or 3, I think would be a good place to start.
That's a lot less overwhelming.
Yeah, with all these competing priorities and goals and all that, it's great to see all of the wonderful things that you've thought and planned. It really is a good opportunity to get professional advice while you're going through this. So at CIBC, we have a team of advisors, and they can help you with everything. They'll also help you in looking at your full financial picture with something called the CIBC Goal Planner tool. Any goals that you have can be integrated into this overall plan for a really nice picture.
Love that. It's very exciting. Thank you.
Yeah.
There you go. I do feel like you guys are set up for success, and I'm excited to see how it all turns out.
Thank you.
We are too.
We'll have you guys over for dinner.
Oh, awesome. Perfect. Can't wait.
I'm in.
Thanks for the tour of the place.
Thank you for coming.
Absolutely. How do you feel about it?
Very excited.
Yes?
Super excited. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. In terms of getting this place renovated, are you guys buying in?
Yes.
Okay. And listen, on top of everything, to help you guys recognize your goals, CIBC would like to give you $1,000.
That's
Wow.
awesome.
Thank you so much.
There you go. I look forward to seeing the finished product.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye, guys.
Bye.